I'm Ritaban Sengupta. I'm a graduate student of Business Analytics and Information Systems from University of South Florida. This is a tutorial of how to make a simple search engine using Apache Lucene. I am using the tutorial from Tutorials Point called Lucene First Application. I'll be using this tutorial over here for my reference. Now let's go to our Eclipse, let's go to our project. Yes, I've already created a Java project. I have named it Lucene First Application. I have already created a package called com.tutorialspoint.lucene. By adding an external jar from the build path, we have already imported the jar file called Lucene core. I'm using the 3.6.2 version here because this is the compatible version with my own system. And now we can see I've already created all the classes that is needed for this project. Now let's look at the first class, that is the indexer class. This indexer class has all the necessary code to index all the data that I have here. I have already stored the data uh, as text files in my data directory. I'll be fetching the data from here, and I also have created a folder named index. My index will be created right here because I have not run the project till now, so the file is still empty, the folder is still empty. But once I run the program, there will be outputs in this folder. The next class is the Lucene's constants class. This file declares all the boundary or the limitations for our program. Uh, it has fixed parameters like file name, contents, file path, etc. And then we have our next class, that is the searcher class. This file is responsible for searching the contents from our existing data files that we have and consolidate and provide an output. After this, we have our text file filter class. This helps to filter the files by the format that we specify. In this case, it is .txt format. It will analyze the files which are in .txt format only. The next class is the Lucene tester class. What this class does is it will take the input from the path I have defined here. It will take the data files from this path and produce an output of the index in the index folder. I have defined the path for the index folder right here. Now we'll run the application, and here we have already hard coded the value which has to be searched. This can be taken as external input as well, but that we are not doing that right at this moment. Now we'll run the application. From here we'll run the Java application. Yes, so my application is running. So here we can see it has created the indexes. Yeah, it has created the indexes over here. So we can see after the search, the 10 files has been indexed because I had 10 files in my directory. Total time taken for that was 82 milliseconds. Only one document has found where Mohan, my search word Mohan, was present. And the total time taken is 33 seconds. So now here we can see the record 4 is the text file where my search word or the keyword or the value that we have inputted as Mohan, that was present. So we'll go to the record 4 to cross verify. If we go to the record 4 here, yes, we can see our search word Mohan is present in here. And if we go to the index files right now, so here we can see the indexes has been created. This index folder was empty before that. After I run the program, it has created the indexes in this folder. So now we have created a simple application using Java and demonstrated the search capabilities of Lucene. Thank you.